guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I'm here with a really interesting video today. A lot of you might laugh and you'll think, why is she making this video? Because guys, I went to the dentist recently and he actually showed me how to brush your teeth, because if you don't brush your teeth properly, it will cause a lot of problems, and bacteria will really decay your teeth and then it'll become really bad. Then you'll have to keep going to the dentist. So here I am today. I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth and how to take care of your teeth. This is the dental routine kind of video. So let's start now. So guys, brushing your teeth is the most important part of your dental care routine, and you need to brush twice a day. Don't forget, once in the morning and once before you go to sleep. So once you wake up in the morning, you really need to brush your teeth, because there will be a lot of germs in your mouth and you don't want that. And before going to sleep, because you've already had dinner and you don't want all that, there'll be a lot of food stuck into your teeth, so you want to get rid of that. So I'm just going to show you how to brush your teeth. These are the basic steps that you need to follow. This will be really good for your dental care routine. So firstly, take an appropriate brush for your teeth. So I use a small brush. Okay, you don't need to laugh because I have really small teeth. So I need a small brush. So you need to choose your brush accordingly. I've been using this since I was a kid. I really need a small brush because I have really small teeth. So this is the toothbrush that I use. You all can use a bigger one if according to your this thing. And what you need to do is keep your brush into a 45-degree angle, and then you go back and forth. So you've just applied your paste to the brush, and then you go out for a 45-degree angle, and then you brush back and forth. So concentrate on your outer area first, like outside, and then you go into your inner side. So you go up, then you go down, and just keep brushing back and forth. And the most important place that you need to brush is this part here. A lot of we forget to use our brush there. So just do this. This is the thing that you need to do. Just keep brushing. It will remove all the food that is collected here, and you don't want that. So a lot of times if you go to the doctor will ask you to you need to really do a lot of cleaning. So why do you want that? You can do it at home itself. So use a nice toothpaste, whatever is your requirement. If you have sensitivity, you all can use Sensodyne, which is really good. I've tried it. So just go back and forth, and don't forget your ends. That is really, really important. So just brush your teeth here, all these sides. And flossing is also good. If you if you have a habit of flossing, that is great. But if you don't, this is also not bad. Brush your teeth twice a day. That's more than enough. And choose a really good toothpaste. And guys, once in a day you need to gargle your mouth as well. So use a nice mouthwash. It will be really helpful for you all. And if you have any other doubts, any more questions, you all can ask me in the comment section below. Hopefully this video has been really helpful for you guys. And also for more DIYs, more skincare, more makeup videos, keep watching Foxy. And if you haven't subscribed, please go subscribe now. And I will see you soon, guys. Bye.